Okay, we're going to go for a little walk. Nick, if you think you're going to catch that bird, you're wrong. You're not going to catch that bird. So let's see, down here are sites 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're on 5. Right, Benny? And down this way are 6 through 20. I'll fix my camera a little bit here. It's a nice evening. Winds are dying down. Humidity isn't as bad as it was earlier. Our little Bin is slowing down. She's probably got enlarged heart or congested heart failure by now. And she has collapsing trachea. From time to time she gags and hacks. She had a rough start in life, and she's had kind of some health issues over all the years. She's 11 going on 12. She's doing pretty good, right? Come on, Beanie.
Come on.
She says, I must smell here. There might be something good. Well, you smell up there, Super Zoomer. Last night, Steve walked them down this way. As they came across the frogs in the darkness, Nicholas was terrified of them. The frogs jumping out in the dark. He just couldn't get his little doggy head around that. Although 5 has been a nice site with trees out our patio side of the camper, the rest of these sites in this little stretch of, let's see here, 12, 10, 9, 8, let's see, yeah, are all kind of close together, which are fine if that's all you can get. But down towards this end, the sites are a little further apart with more shrubbery in between. And I think I'll film those. I think in the future they might be considering outhouses here, but for now they have rented porta potties and a dumpster. Now these people park crossways to get the best view for their campsite so they can look out at the water. It's kind of nice. Now these two sites, 13 and 15, are kind of nice if you're with a family and you want to camp close together. You have the woods right behind you. And straight across from you is a path out to the beach. So even if you can't get waterfront, those aren't too bad. Back down that way, I think it was 11 or 9 is a pull-through. I think we lost Benny. Okay, Nick and I are going to finish the walk ourselves. Site 14 is very nice here, with a wide gravel pad and a large sand area. Perfect scenery out into the water. That's the other half of 15. Now this one's very nice with a lot of grass around it. This one's site 16 on the left. Little path out to the water. Nice level parking pad. 17 over here has a lot of grass. Nice level pad. Backs up to the woods. You do hear some traffic noise on M35, but it's to be expected. We are close to the highway. Settles down more at night. Now this one's really nice, site 18. Look at that. You have all that shrubbery between you and the next campers. Nice and wide, level. Sandy area, fire pit. Right to the water. Let's walk in this one, Nick. Yesterday, the hosts were hauling away the old picnic tables. Here's one left in the woods. But they were hauling them away because they have brand new ones. Oh, there's a doggy down the beach. I think we'll stay up here. There's the path going down to the beach for the other campers to use. Let's go back, Nick. The dog on the beach was off leash, and it's probably best to just stay away. There are no rules about the beach and dogs here, so we all just live and let live. So that one is 17A. I'm not sure what that means, because there's also a site 17 nestled into the woods. And then here also, we had called Cedarville Township to ask, oh, you better not put your nose there. He just has nose up a great big bumblebee. 18A is not on the reservation list, but it's a pretty nice site, little wide open. But we noticed it doesn't have a fire pit, and it's not on the list. Down here at the end of the loop is a turnaround, so you can maneuver your vehicle back around to back in from a different angle if you need to. $19 is nice. It's pretty open with a nice sandy area. You can see they have their tent down in the sandy section and looking out over the water. And this one's our favorite. This one's number 20. We couldn't get it, but you go back and around the corners where you nestle the RV parallel with the water. We've put our big Coachman motorhome back there. And one time we were thinking about putting the safari back there, but it was too sandy. Now I see they've beefed it up with gravel. But being down at the end, you have nobody around you. It's a very nice campsite. So that one's our favorite. Years ago, when we used to come here with our safari, it was so big, we couldn't even get it back down here. We could only take site number 1, pull straight in, and when it was time to leave, we had to back straight out all the way to the highway. They didn't have a triangle area to maneuver around at the entrance like they do now. Now on the other end of this park, there's day use area and picnicking with a big pavilion that can be rented. Really nice. We walked over there earlier today, but dang it, I forgot to bring along the camera, so I didn't film any of that. What do you think, Nick? He's just walking along, sniffing things, checking stuff out. If there were other people around, I would shorten him up to a 5-foot leash, clicking the flexi tight. But because there's nobody around, I can let him have a little more freedom and stretch it out. It's like somebody here hit the tree. Poor tree. We're far enough away from Oconto County where the tent caterpillars were so bad last week. So we don't see any of them here. There aren't as many oak trees either. A lot more maples, birches, and cedars. Now again, this campground does not have a dump station, but you can go nearby to Shaky Lakes, a county park, and use their facilities. There is a pressurized well at the entrance to fill with water. There's the little path out there. Nick. See, when there's people nearby now, I shorten him up. You get back here. Oh, there's Benny waiting back at the camper with Steve. We'll go back and sit for a while on the lawn chairs for the evening. Here comes a car. So move over here, right, Nick? Sit. Watch. You be a good boy. Sees a doggy coming up from the water. Okay, let's go. Come on, be a good boy. There you go. This way. So where's our camper, Nick? Can you bring us home? Come on. I know you're watching the other puppy dog. Where you going, Nick? Oh, you see another puppy. Where'd you guys go? Did we go too long?
Yeah, you didn't like that, did you?
Hi.
Did you miss us?
Yep, Benny was waiting and waiting and waiting for you to come
You
back.
were. Were we gone too long, Benny?
Yep, she was not happy.
Yeah, well, she can't go that far anymore. Hey, sweet girl.